In the previous lesson, we discussed the applications. So now, today we have to discuss the desktop. What is the meaning of desktop? If you turn on the monitor in your computer, you know the monitor is the screen. So when we turn on the screen, we can find a place or an area or a window on a computer. There is icons arranged on this window. So this is what we call the desktop. So this area or this window we called it a desktop. When we turn on our monitor, we can find an area or a windows. This is what is the desktop. What we can find in the desktop? We can find different icons. So the icons is programs we install them in our computer, like the Paint, like the Word, like games, like anything we can find in our computer. These icons we can find them on the desktop. So what we can find in the desktop? We can find different icons. What this icon represent for? It's represent for the applications. The application is the programs that we use to help us doing our job and making our jobs easily. As you see, this is the desktop. This is the desktop. You see, this is the taskbar, and this is the icons. We can find the icons on the desktop. A lot of icons. So we can move the icons and change the place for the icons. We can change the place for the icons and organize them on the way that we want. We can find also on the desktop the start icon. Look to the start icon. It is on the taskbar. This line, we can call it the taskbar. We called it the taskbar. We can find different things on the taskbar, but you have just only to know that we call this a taskbar and this is the start icon. And all of these is an icons. We can find them on the desktop. We can change the background for the desktop. We can add a lot of applications, a lot of icons on the desktop, and you can put your picture on the desktop. Also, you can find the clock on the taskbar. So the desktop contains of lots of icons and start icon and the taskbar and the clock. It is a part of the taskbar.